Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can quickly use the sum function to populate cells. Now on the screen I have three bands of data for Bill and Ben, and what I want to do is just basically add up each of these and have the totals at the end as well. So what I could do is I just could go over to the function area and select sum and just basically manually go through like this, tick that and then pull that across like that, and then do the same up there. This is not wrong, but it's a bit long-winded when you've got a lot of them to do, and if this was a bigger spreadsheet this would take quite a while. I can bring that down, I could pull that all the way down. So I'm going to get rid of that and just do another way. So I'm going to highlight all of that space and use the key command Alt equals, which is sum. Now if I undo that, or I'll delete it because it's going to do it one at a time, I'll just delete it. That's the same as me doing this, highlighting all of that and clicking the sum button. The Alt equals is the key command for sum, so that does exactly the same. But say this block repeated down 10,000 rows, that could be quite a long-winded way of doing it. So another way I could do it is use find and get the computer to highlight these blocks. Still probably going to have to do it on that one slightly different, but let's see if this works. Clicking on find, and I've got like a shift number 6 I've used to get the this symbol. That's going to highlight all of these cells. If I click on find all, it comes up with this box, but you can see behind the scenes it's highlighted everything. So I just close that and close that and then do Alt equals. It drops the formulas in each of these bands like so. And then what I could probably do is just highlight the rest of it and do Alt equals to drop the rest of it in like that. So if you've got lots of sums to do, that's what you can do to select lots of different sets. And obviously Alt equals is just the same as clicking the sum button, slightly quicker than using your mouse because of that, but you achieve the same aim. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video. How you can quickly select sets of data and then populate it with the Alt equals to do the sum function. So hopefully this little video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I will catch you on the next one.